The other day I went thrifting and I picked up some great things for summertime. And so now I'm just waiting for the weather. Just waiting for the weather to catch up to me, you know? Love to be warm. I miss being warm. However, I did also focus on getting some items that are a little bit more in the spring realm. I was like, okay, if I could find this item at the thrift store, that would be great. And then I was like, well, I'll probably find something sort of close, but I won't find that exact thing. And then I found exactly what I had in mind. Does this make sense? No? Okay, great. So this is a J.Crew jacket, and it is one of the like quilted and extra small. The reason why this is blowing my mind is because, first of all, they do not sell J.Crew in the Netherlands. Number two, even if they did sell J.Crew in the Netherlands, there are very few people here who are child size like me. So a lot of my neighbors have very similar coats to this. They're a similar weight and they are quilted. It's a little bit of a miracle? I don't know. This was only €9.50, so I can't believe it. These next few items are a little more spicy. So you may have noticed that Kelly Green is having kind of a moment this season, and I absolutely love green. It makes me happy. And when I saw this scarf, I thought it would be the absolute perfect way to incorporate this color into my wardrobe without having to invest in like a bunch of green statement pieces that like maybe I won't like in a couple seasons. I saw this at the thrift store and it was like kind of underneath like a little statuette and it didn't have a price on it, and I was like, oh man, is that not for sale? And so I like went up to the lady and I asked her in Dutch. I was like, oh, is that one for sale? And she was like, oh yeah, it doesn't have a price. And then she told me what the price was. She was like, oh, it's €4. And then I couldn't remember which word to say, so I said like 4 words. And then I was like, no. And she was like, literally all of the words that you used would have been fine to say. Sounds good. But anyway, yeah. So I am really excited about this. You could wear this in your hair. You could wear it as a top. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's so versatile. I'm obsessed. And scarves like this are also trending as well. So, and I went downstairs to try something on before I came back up to ask about this scarf. And I was like kind of worried somebody might take it, even though there was nobody at the store. I was like, it's so good. I don't know what's going on with my hair. I don't know what's going on at all. I grew up in Southern California, and in California, you're not allowed to have businesses on the beach. So the beach is free for everybody to go to, which I think is great. I think is awesome. But in Europe, they have beach clubs. And I am a fan because you could be on the beach and they'll bring you drinks and they'll bring you food. Oh, by the way, you can't drink on the beach in California either. So the whole thing is just my idea of paradise. One of the things that I like to do when I go to the beach club is I like to get a little bit like beach chic dressed up, so that way we can go to the beach and then we can go to dinner. However, I don't like to wear my like really expensive jewelry to the beach. But when you show up, you know, you want to look fabulous, etc. So my trick is to go to the thrift store and find like pretty inexpensive costume jewelry. So when I saw this piece, I was like, you're going with me to the beach, my friend. So it looks like this. It is this little cuff and it has some little fake pearls in it, but I just thought it was super cute. A lot of the jewelry that I like to wear to the beach is gold, and I just thought it was kind of the moment. I mean, I just really thought it would look great while you're having some champagne on the beach. It was only €2, so it's great because if I lose it or if it gets damaged by like the salt water, I won't be upset. And yeah, absolutely really excited about that one as well. Okay, there's a vision, so I have to walk you through it, but just stay with me. So I found this top, and when I saw it and I saw these little rhinestones, I was like, yeah, I kind of think that's it. So I took it and I put it on and it looked pretty bad. However, I think, okay, imagine it. If I was to alter the straps to fit me correctly and then also kind of take it in so it's a little bit more fitted, because right now it's really loose. But if you were to make it a little bit more fitted and then you had it kind of like tucked into a pair of white palazzo pants, I just think that would be such a great outfit to wear to dinner, you know, I mean anywhere really in the summertime. And so I am going to be doing a little thrift flip with this number. I'm a little nervous because I really don't want to ruin it. It's from a cool brand from Brussels. It says Le Club V. So this one was €8. But yeah, it's gonna be a journey. I'm excited. The rhinestones and the baby blue color just stole my heart, and I am really, really excited to show you guys how that turns out. And let's all just cross our fingers and our toes that it turns out well, okay? The last thing that I picked up is the most expensive thing that I picked up. It was €12, which is a lot. But when I saw it, I was like, this is summertime. Do you know what I mean? It's super cute. It's just like a yellow blouse, and I thought it would be great to wear over bathing suits, to wear with, like, again, a pair of white palazzo pants. Yeah, had to have this even though it was €12, which is a little expensive. I felt really kind of like confident about it. I don't think it's ever been worn as well, which is why I think it has a little bit of a higher price tag. So yeah, had to have it. Really excited. I think it'll be great for summertime. So you might have noticed that I didn't pick up as many pieces to thrift flip this time. And the reason for that is because I got a little overwhelmed with how many sewing projects I have waiting for me right now. But I will be altering the light blue top with the rhinestone. So if you're interested in that, be sure to stick around because that'll be coming up soon. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming along, and I will talk to you next time.